Government of Manipur in association with 4th Dimension Global organized the Manipur Corporate Social Responsibility Conclave is held today at the City Convention Centre, Imphal. The conclave is attended by Chief Minister N. Biren, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and other distinguished personalities. In continuation of Mao Market being opened in various parts of the city, International and Social Advancement IPSA along with several civil society organizations under IPSA opened the Mao Market at Hicham Yaicham Pat Yai School, Imphal this morning. It is reported that more than 50 stalls from Mao were put up. P. Chidambaram, who was brought to Tihar jail last evening, will get no special facilities except a separate cell and a western toilet as specified by the court, jail officials said. Like other inmates, he will have access to the library and can watch television for a specified period, according to reports. After the mandatory medical checkup, he was lodged in jail number 7, which houses those accused in Enforcement Directorate cases. His son Karti was kept in the same cell for 12 days in the same case last year. Samsung Electronics Company Limited yesterday said its first foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Fold, will be available in South Korea from today with 5th generation mobile connectivity. As per reports, the world's largest smartphone vendor said that the device would be priced 2.398 million won. The highly anticipated handset was originally due to hit the US market in April, but the launch was delayed by screen defects detected in samples. Chief Minister Chauna Main, who also holds the power portfolio, held a meeting at the Secretariat with officers of the power and hydropower departments regarding construction of transmission line for evacuation of power from various hydroelectric projects. The Human Resource Development Ministry has awarded the status of Institute of Eminence to the IIT Madras, the IIT Kharagpur, Delhi University, Banaras Hindu University and the University of Hyderabad. The ministry took the action following a recommendation from the University Grants Commission last month.